Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today we will learn odd words and og words. So, what is this? This is O, and the sound of O is O. And what is this? This is D, and the sound of D is D. D. So when O and D come close together, it will become odd. It will become odd. See, this is O and this is D. So when it will come together, it will become odd. Similarly, if I remove D and if I add here G, it will become og. It will become og. So see here, og words. Okay, so today we will study odd words and og words. So this is o and this is g. The sound of g is g. The sound of g is g. So this is og. When o and g come close together, it will become og. It will become og. Okay, so we will study odd words and og words, and it is in your phonic book, page number 11. Okay, now we will study it one by one. First, see here, k, odd, chord. This is C and the sound of C is k. So k, odd, chord. Then n, odd, nod. This is N and the sound of N is N, odd, nod. Next is P, O, D and the sound of P is P, P. So P, odd, pod. Next is rod. This is R and sound of R is R. So R, odd, rod. Let's repeat one more time. Odd words, chord, nod, pod, rod. K, odd, chord. N, odd, nod. P, odd, pod. R, odd, rod. Similarly, look here, og. This is, it ends with d, so it is odd. It ends with g, so it is og. So og words, f, og, fog. J, the sound of J is j. So j, og, jog. This is H and the sound of H is h. So h, og, hog. I repeat, these are og words. So because why these are og word? Because these words ends with og. Okay, so fog, jog, hog. And these are odd words. Why? Because all the words, see, look here, all the words ends with odd. So these are all odd words and these are og words. Okay, so chord, nod, pod, rod, then fog, hog, jog and hog. Okay, so now I will show you. See, this is o and this is d. Okay, odd. What is this? Odd. If I'll add one letter to it, it will become chord. It will become chord. K, odd, chord. K, odd, chord. Now if I remove k and if I'll add n to it, n, the sound of n is n. So it will become nod. N, odd, nod. N, odd, nod. Then I'll remove n and if I'll add r to it, this is r and the sound of r is r. So r, odd, rod. What is this? R, odd, rod. Now let's remove it and if I add p to it, this is p and the sound of p is p. So p, odd, pod. P, odd, pod. Now I remove both of them, d, d and p, p, and I'll add g. It will become og. It will become og. O, g, og. Now add h to it. H, og, hog. H, og, hog. I told you that O and G, when it come close together, it will become og. Og. So, if I'll add H to it, her, it will become hog. Now, let's remove it and add f to it. It will become f, og, fog. Again, remove it. Let's add l. It will become l, og, log. Then add j to it. Then it will become j, og, jog. J, og, jog. Okay. So this is jog, hog, log, and this is last one is fog. Okay. Now let's change og to odd. Remove both of them and add odd. Okay. So this is pod, pod, p odd, pod, r odd, rod, n odd, nod, and this is k odd, cord. Okay. So these are all odd and odd words and og words. Now you have to write these words in your notebook. So put the date on the top. Today is 27th August 2020. Put the heading odd words and og words. And now I will tell you meaning of all the words, and we will draw some pictures as well. So draw one line in the middle. Here we will write odd words and here we will write og words. So let's begin. Number 1 is cord. So k, odd is equal to cord. And cord is a large fish that can be eaten. Cord is a large fish that can be eaten. So we will make a picture of a cord. So you can make it here. So this is the picture of cord. Number 2. Nod. N plus odd is equals to nod. And nod is a movement up and down with the head. It is a movement of head up and down. So it is the up and down movement of a head. This is nod. N odd, nod. Now number 3 is pod. P odd, pod. And pod is a long, narrow, flat part of some plants like peas. So we call it a pod, a flat part of a plant like peas and beans. So let's make a pod. So this is a picture of a pod. Now number 4. It's a rod, and you all know what is rod. R plus odd is equals to rod. Rod is a thin pole which is made of wood or any other material. So this is a rod. Okay. So these are all odd words. Cord, nod, pod, rod. Now we will write og words. First one is fog. F og is equals to fog. And fog, you all know, is a thick cloud which is consisting of drops of water. Okay, so let's make a fog. Have you ever observed fog in winter season? So this is a fog. Number 2, jog. J, og, jog. What is jog? It is to run at a slow speed. It is a kind of an exercise. So what is jog? To run at a slow speed. So let's make a picture here. So this is a picture of a jog. It's to run at a very slow speed. It is a form of an exercise. Okay. Now next is hog. H, og is equals to hog. And hog is a pig. It is a pig that is allowed to grow large so that it can be eaten. It is a hog. Now let's make a picture here. And you all have to draw the pictures yourself. Okay. So this is a picture of a pig. It is a hog. Okay. So these are the words, odd words and og words. Okay. So cord, nod, pod, rod, and here it is fog, jog and hog. One more word is there. It is not there in your book. This is log. L, og, log. And log is what? Log is a thick piece of a tree trunk or branch. It is a thick piece of a tree trunk or branch. So here is the picture. So this is log. Okay. So write down all these 8 words in your notebook, put the date, put the heading on the top and write down all the odd words and og words and do share the work with me. Bye bye kids, take care and have a very nice day. Bye.